welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am partnering with Loving Tan to share my tanning routine with you guys. So if you don't know about Loving Tan, they are a self-tanner company. They sell a bunch of different tanning products and they are absolutely amazing. They're all natural. Their formula is actually amazing. If you've been on my channel for a while, you would know that I have actually used Loving Tan for over a year now. Every time that I have used their products, I've had such a great experience and I'm just so excited to be able to share their brand with you guys. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos, and of course follow me on all my social media. I'll have the links in the down bar below. But yeah, without further ado, we're just gonna jump right in. So clearly I am very pale right now. I have not used their products yet. I wanted to tell you guys about the company and go through the entire process of my self-tanning routine. But by the end of this video, I am going to be so tan. My skin is going to be glowing and it's going to be beautiful. So this is the box of stuff that they sent me, and you guys, I was just in shock when I got this. They sent me so many amazing products to try. So personally, I have tried their gradual self-tanning mousse and their 2-hour express mousse, and they sent me some products that I haven't tried from them before, so I'm going to show you guys all of that stuff. But before I forget, I want to tell you guys about the promo code that they gave me. So if you guys use the code MADILYN, it's just my name, you can get a free tanning mitt with any mousse or gradual tan purchase. So if you guys want to jump on that offer, make sure you check out their website. I will leave it in the down bar below. And also check out their Instagram because their Instagram is literally the cutest. So here's the box of stuff they sent me to share with you guys. Guys, they even sent me a note. Cutest thing ever. This is just heaven on earth right here. Oh, it's just so pretty. First off, we have a tan removing and skin polishing glove. So this is kind of like an exfoliating mitt. This is great to use before your tan and before your next tan to get the old tan off. They sent me 2 deluxe applicator mitts, which is so nice of them. They also sent me some Australian candy. Is that not the cutest thing ever or what? They sent me a deluxe face tanner. I haven't tried this one yet, so I'm really excited about this. They sent me a deluxe gradual tanner. So this is more like a tinted body lotion rather than a mousse. They sent me not one, but 2 2-hour express mousses. I have tried these before and this one is my absolute favorite from them. And they also sent me a bronze shimmer luminous cream. I haven't tried this yet, but I've heard such great things about this. This is kind of like an in-between tan applications type of thing. So yeah, that's everything they sent me. I kind of want to try one of these Tim Tams. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I use the 2-hour express mousse, the deluxe face tanner, the skin polishing mitt, and the deluxe applicator mitt. So this is what I look like before I put on any self-tanner or anything, but I wanted to show you guys a before of, you know, how pale I am before I put the tanner on.
In my world, I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. Now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine.
Okay, so I just got out of the shower, excuse my towel, but I absolutely love the exfoliating mitt. That was so nice. My skin literally feels so smooth and healthy. So now I am going to prep my skin to start tanning. So when I prep my skin to start tanning, I shower, exfoliate, and shave like you guys just saw. And then I apply lotion to my dry areas like my wrists, my my elbows, knees, ankles, all of that. And once I do that, I am ready to start tanning. Like I said, I've used Loving Tan for a while now. I've probably gone through probably 3, almost 4 bottles. So I wouldn't call myself like a super experienced tanner, but I definitely know what works for me personally. But yeah, like I said, this is the tanning mousse that I'm going to be using. This is the 2-Hour Express. So they have this kind of mousse and they also have a deluxe bronzing mousse. So that one you have to leave on for 6 to 8 hours, whereas this one is only 2. So I prefer the medium shade. I know they have medium, dark, and extra dark, or it might be ultra dark, I can't remember. But I always go for the medium one just because I prefer to have like a little bit of color rather than being like, wow, she's super tan. I think it looks more natural personally for me. Something that I really love about Loving Tan is that there's a color guide. So the color guide makes it super easy to see where you've already like applied the tanner, but I also love that the smell is not like self-tanner smell, if that makes sense. Loving Tan has a very subtle, almost like florally smell to their self-tanner, and personally I really like it. So I'm gonna be using this, and I will also be using the face tanner today. Usually when I self-tan, I know it's really bad, but I just put the mousse like on my face too. Usually I try to be really careful about like how much I put on my face so it's not like too much, but I've never had a problem with it being like darker on my face than on my body. But I am excited to see if my face looks better with the designated tanner for your face rather than like the mousse. So this one is also in the shade medium, and it's kind of cool. It says it's enriched with green tea, pomegranate, and acai, so that's kind of fun. Okay, you guys, I'm so excited. We're just gonna get started.
So now I sing to you, and when you go, leave me here all alone. I'll be waiting, we can make it, because I know that after all this time, you'll read between these lines. Feeling fine, cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, playing, playing on all this. Waiting, 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 I'll call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taken, 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 baby.
The tanning mitt is literally so soft. It's like velvet. I don't know, I think it actually might be velvet. It feels like it. It is so soft. It is so easy to blend. I filmed the entire time of me like putting it on my body, and it took me 11 minutes. It's not a very long process at all. So I am going to do the face tanner now. Like I said, I haven't tried this out before, so I'm super excited about it. This is what it looks like. I don't think you need very much because it's a tiny bottle.
After all this time, feeling fine.
Honestly, when I was applying it, I don't know, maybe it does look a little bit different, but when I was applying it, it didn't have like as drastic of a guide color than the one for my body did, but it feels exactly like lotion. It's not sticky at all. It was very easy to apply. As you guys saw, it literally took me 2 minutes, but it felt very like soft and like gentle on my face, which is kind of nice because like it's not supposed to be harsh on your face. Okay, so this is how we're looking right now. I feel like my legs look really dark, and I don't know why my feet look like that on camera. It looks a lot lighter than in real life. I promise in real life it looks like all one color. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I don't know, I feel like I look a lot darker actually. Like my arms look super dark. Guys, my teeth look so white. I love being tan. Okay, I haven't tanned for a really long time because I was trying to get a real tan during the summer, and I got a little bit of a tan, but it wasn't like as tan as I wanted. And I think that this video is definitely gonna make me start self-tanning again. It's gonna be a bad obsession, I just know it. So I wanna share my thoughts with you guys, so far at least, because obviously it still needs to develop. I think personally for me, I prefer the tanning mousse rather than a tanning lotion. Michigan. Like I said, I haven't tried the one from Loving Tan, but just with my experiences in the past with like other brands and stuff, I do prefer a mousse texture rather than like a lotion. Oh, and I'm sure you guys are wondering why I skipped tanning my butt and my back. To be honest, I just didn't want to put in the effort. I live in Michigan, so it's getting kind of colder here. It's not like cold, but it's definitely fall. I'm definitely not going to be wearing a bikini anytime soon, and all the shirts that I've been wearing have been covering my back, so I don't really need like to tan my back because my back doesn't show. Honestly, I just didn't feel like putting in the effort to tan those parts of my body because sometimes your back can get kind of hard to tan because your arm just like, I don't know, your arm just can't reach back there that well and like blend it in. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a few hours. So it's been 2 hours now and this is what it looks like. Here's my arm, my face, and my legs I think look the tannest, honestly. But yeah, I had absolutely no problems. It didn't get anywhere. So yeah, I'm gonna go rinse this off and come back and show you guys what the actual tan looks like. Okay, I am out of the shower and you guys, it looks so good. It looks so natural and it'll get a little bit darker as it continues to develop a little bit more. But I love the color. It's very natural for me because I started out pretty pale. So I like that it's not like a super drastic difference. But you guys, I am glowing. It looks so good. The lighting is like a little bit weird in here, but hopefully you guys can see the difference because I definitely can. But I'm gonna sit down with you guys and share my overall thoughts with you all now. Okay, hopefully you guys can kind of see my tan a little bit better. The lighting is a lot better over here. I did not put any makeup on after my shower because honestly I like having a tan face and no makeup. I think, I don't know, the tan just makes my face look so glowy and I don't even mind not having makeup on right now. There's like a chunk of my hair that got wet in the shower, so it's being all weird. Okay, so if you guys couldn't tell by now, I love it. And I kind of already shared my thoughts with you guys on the application of the items and the mitts and everything. So I guess all I have to talk about now is how it washed off and what I think of it now. So if you haven't used Loving Tan before, then don't freak out. It's going to run in the shower. So the guide color that is in the mousse when you put it on doesn't stay on your skin. So the guide color washes off in the shower, so don't be alarmed. There will be a lot of color in the water, but it's not your tan. The tan is still like on your skin. It developed onto your skin. I definitely freaked out the first time I used it because I didn't know that that was going to happen. But I love this color. I think it's super natural for me because I am naturally very pale. So I feel like if I would go to like ultra dark, it would just be like too much for me. So yeah, this video was kind of all over the place. It was like my tanning routine and like half of a review. I don't know, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Oh, and as for the face tanner, I really like it. It looks so natural and my skin feels so soft. I definitely recommend picking up the face tanner as well as the body mousse because I don't know, it just looks so good. Compared to the times that I've used like the mousse on my face, like this just looks so much more natural and I literally love it, you guys. Like my skin looks so healthy. Okay, I'm gonna stop looking at myself. Clearly I love all of these products and I would definitely recommend anyone to try them out if you're interested in self-tanning. If you guys have any questions about self-tanning, if you haven't like tanned before or used Loving Tan, let me know in the comments down below and I will definitely answer those for you guys. Huge shout out to Loving Tan for partnering with me on today's video. I am so excited to try out the other products when my tan starts to fade. And this video was super exciting for me because like I said, I am a longtime user of Loving Tan, so it was so great to be able to work with them. Don't forget to use my coupon code. I'll leave it up on the screen right here, and check out the description box for links to the products, links to their website, Instagram, info about the coupon code, and all of that good stuff. But yeah, so that is going to be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye!